Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's just start towards the new unboxing video of Soundcore by Anker live Q10 wireless headphones, which comes with the bass up technology and high-res audio. This comes with the breathable ear cup, soft and 40mm drivers, bass up technology, USB C type charging C, and also this comes with the 60-hour backup. If you want to charge for 5 minutes, you get 5-hour backup. And this has dedicated buttons. For right ear cup R, for left ear cup L, and this has the buttons where you can just choose the bass up or down by clicking on bass button. If you want to increase or decrease the volume buttons, and to power on, just power on. If you want to power it off, just click on the power button for 3 seconds by pressing it. If you want to reset the headphone settings, just click on power on plus volume up button. And this comes with the aux cable and USB charging C cable and manual. That's it guys, thanks for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe.